Paudam meng tabiri ba khwai punamangpu taram noksabaga loinana khurumjari. Ngasigi maroibu pauda. Aadhar card saraga Manipurda thajillamba miyoi fare haina Chief Minister N. Biren haikre. Tarit suba pe chana halu haibagi dabi da Secretariat ki staff sing thabak leptuna khongjang changsinkre. Loinana Swarada thiba humbagi thabak sathabada two-wheeler ahum amadi car ahum phagat pangamkre. Mapungoiba paumu pizari. Mukhyamantri Nongthombam Birena haikre Manipur gi ngamkai paring ama oiriba more amasong jiribamda Aadhar card saraga Manipurda thajillamba miyoi fare masina maram oiduna Manipurda yelomi kanbada akaiba pire commercial service member singdasu chingnaba leibadagi khudakta thinglaga Manipurda Aadhar card sing amu hanna verification tawbagi mathau tare wafama singasi nongtil Mukhyamantri gi secretariat ki conference hall da paumi singa unabada Mukhyamantri na phongdokhibane Mukhyamantri na makha taraduna Manipurda yum bhara saliba bus truck service tawriba singna chection biu moredagi immigrant migration tawbada Aadhar card saraga changlakpa miyoi sing fare masida natana jiribamdasu sasinaba fake Aadhar card saramba sing fare asiguma Manipur gi ngamkhai paring da weriba masi makha tana thoktana naba Aadhar card sing matamatam gi oina hana verification tawba mathau tai haiki
government khatana tawbudabuni haibadugi Masuk hoigi tholere hoigi tok dogya batore ngasi khoina public ta puthora isna masigi gumba potse public ki support bharat hambiri makangbu bus chenbiri bakangbu truck tata thobiri bakangbu mayam sinama side cooperation pirkanda khoigi population se kannana ba khona minadragadi ai khoi sidai da khoi misinga yam jabrina khoi se overflow oigragadi khoi minority ta kani he adu government ki concern ni aduna khoi airport yam chingna ningai wore direct flight Delhi dagi lakrabani na airport sida da koi tangai phadana masigi hayeng akoi immediately hayeng maktagi whoever chingna ba mi lakposi manungda moi immigrant ki tawjabadu nataba police ki oiba tongan ba airport gi tholok singi check post ai koi hangaga masi thabok paikhan ba tawge masida public singna inconvenient oiba khotpa khara thogasu madu biar tawbiu maram di future generation gi aduga hujiki leibam state gi mirol gi kanana bani aduga akhoi Aadhar kapagi da aikhoina Aadhar je thuna kapna bani haidana mamangi kaino dagi akhoi gina common service center na private gi kharsen naram base khudak tagi aduma do khoi kathalani makhoi da common private kaino service center da makhoi da aikhoina Aadhar kap khotba gi thabuk sinari ba khotse khudak tagi akhoi moi dagi withdraw tawrani
Amaromda JCLPS Students Wing gi convener Manjit Sarangthemna haikre lakliba Manipur Vidhan Sabha gi nongju mifamda yelomi kanana bagi warep lohongnaba punna khongjang changsin menarasi wafamase inner line permit system channa hanna bagi MSU headquarters da ngasi KSO amasung MSU gi oiba mifamna kupna khanaduna warep lokhibaga loinana paumisingda wafamase convener na phongdokhibane Convener na makha taraduna English singani taramangagi August 18 da yelomi kanana ba Manipur Vidhan Sabha da bill pass tawbada wakhal taminhauda badagi thokiba thaudo adu amu hanna thoktana ba chingtam punna thabak tawminaragani lamdamasida multinational company kaya changlaktuna labor kaya pusilaktuna chingtamda khundariba chanura kaya charo marona bagi khudong thiba mayongnare bus passenger transport association singna non-local pusilakpada Aadhar card yenglaga che chang yenglaga pusilao haiki.
We, the student organization of Joint Committee on Online Participation, Student Wing and Cohesion Organizations have resolved to agitate and to take over the inner line permit system to implement in Manipur. So, with the Joint Committee on Online Participation, Student Wing and KSO will work together and jointly in the implementations of inner line permit system in our state Manipur.
Thauromaduda KSO gi headquarters ki president yauna sangsthana siki luchingba kaya saruyaki hairi.
The inner line permit is essential and vital for the protection of the indigenous and the native people of Manipur. demand for ILP is not new to us. And from this meeting, I think the KSO and the JCILP as student wing will work together for the implementation of the same.
Indian Navy gi Chief Admiral Sunil Lanba ngarang Imphal da thunglakraba matungda ngasi ayuk pung nipal makhai rom taba aduaida helicopter da laktuna 11 Assam Rifles Moregi helipad da landing tawraba matungda integrated checkpost ICP yengsinkhre madugi tungda amuk Tamil gi laisang chatuna yenghallaba matungda amok Imphal gi damakta more thadokre yengsin bachatpa aduda Assam Rifles ki makok thongba officer singsu yauki. Chief Admiral Sunil Lanbana Moreda Lakadaba Lambi Singda Pamdaba Thaudok Thoktanaba Security gi akanba checking thorang laukhatki. Lamdam masida leiriba sarkar gi department singda taret suba pe chanahalu haiduna khongjing changchalakpa numit nifu mathoini suraba fawbada lengak asina tabidana leiba maramna secretariat ki staff singna ngasi new secretariat ta thabak leptuna khongjang changsinkhre ngasi ayuk pung 10 rom taba matam madagi nungchil pung ama fawbada chathagiba sit in protest aduda saruk yakiba Manipur Secretariat Services Association gi secretary Sasikantana Paumi singda phongdorakibada state asiga yum thangnariba lebak singda tare suba pe commission chanarakpa maramna pochai gi mamal tangba hengalakpaga loinana GST chanarakpana tungan ba tax kaya kakpadagi lamdam asida leiriba karmachari singi PSC pikpa maramna hingbada awaba kaya mayoknare tare suba pe chanarakpadagi matung inna pochai gi mamalsu hengalakli tare suba pe chanadaba state asida su chapmanana mamalda adumak yonba maramna karmachari gi pe asina sizinaba konadre thabak leptuna khongjang changsinba ase lebak miyam gi Mangjabani Kanglabasu Dabi asi Maram Chabana Kongjang asi Lokhatlibane Makhatana Sarkarna Tare Suba Pe Commission Chana Handrabadi Tha Sigi Tara Tarukta Mifam Pangthoktuna Makhataba Kongjang Changsilagane
Lebak Sigi Government Sigi Employer Moina Akoi Yankana Strike Pamba Strike Yamna Tawa Yobigi Wafam Dinate Adubu Neighboring State Chingna Mamagi right Akoi 7P Hybus Sana Kraga Akoi state asidedi chanadana state chigi oijeriba employee singi hakse ikan kanbi da bugum torpa seisda akoi secretariat employee association aso akoi ngasi degi hona sit in protest
Nakalamaromda M tukna tarit suba pe chana luhaina chathariba khongjang asibu sawatpa oina Employees Welfare Association Tribal Effort and Hills Department Manipur gi karmachari singnasu office campus manungda sintha leptuna wakat mifam chathaki
koi chamana government employees amadi senior employee ani punna pot perform tagi leminari adu masida khenabadi yam chauna khuji khenare akhui GST lakhre am thamathang loina price di hana ne hega khro gatani adu akhui pe ri hujibok adum hana gi keno da dum thambiri na government na athum tamda we any resource planning mukoi policy ni adu di moina tanajaga dobani adu akoi employees na adu taw akoina tanaga dom nate akoi ri akoina sujari ba nomjari ba sing sigi koi bihon to hak to koi bibiu haina koi demand tok jabani
Manipur gi tongan mafam singda chalaiba passenger puba diesel auto Tata Magic amadi winger na chingba gari singna pung nifu nipal gi gari chenba lepa khongjang changsin khibana mahausa gi punsida chauna apan bathokle Manipur gi tampakta mapung oina Imphal area da miyamna chathok chasin tawbada khodongcha da mayoknari tongan ba district singda so JAC na changsin khiba khongjang asina maram oiraduna miyam gi chathok chasin da chauna apan banangle Passenger gari sing asigi JAC na ngasi ahing nongyai pung nifu nipal gi gari chenba lepagi khongjang asi changsin khibane gari chenba lepagi khongjang changsin ba asina maram oiraduna khwairamban kaithel da mitin bagi chang ka hena nemki tangai fadana chataba yadaba thabak sing chatnanabagi damakta miyamna bus na chingba tongduna chatli adumoinama lerak khulakna chingbada cheliba passenger puba auto sing chenki dabana maramna gari macha singba leijadaba imungdadi awaba mayoknari ningsingba yai all Manipur under frightened passenger service na sarkar na handakta auto rickshaw Tata Magic amadi winger na chingba gari sing Imphal manungda changhaloi haina warep laukiba adubu yaningdaba phongdoktuna tongan ba khongjang kaya sangsindona lakhibane gari chenba lepagi khongjang asi hayeng ahing nongyai phauba chathagani hairi Amaromda Imphal Sahar manungda government ki maikaidagi transport department na passenger puriba auto amadi Tata Magic bazar manungda changbada Thinkibagi official oina che thokiba leite haina special secretary transport C Arthur Maswayo IAS na phongdokre ngasi New Secretariat leiba mahaki office chamber da paumisinga unabada mahangna phongdokhibada bazar manungda passenger puba auto amadi Tata Magic changba yahaloi haina lana pau sandorokpadagi association gi mioi singna ngarang ahing nongyaidagi pungni funipal gi strike chathaduna gari chendaba maramna miamda awaba kaya mayong halli sarkar asina Imphal Sahar bu multi model transport system ama ohennabagi damakta department mapan gi miut singna pullaga committee ama semlaba matungda thizinduna thabak laukhatnaba hotnari committee aduda transport director na chairman director mahutna member secretary aduga chief engineer na PWD secretary PDA chief town planning SP traffic control wing joint director transport commissioner IMC amadi jagat thodam architect na chingba singna member oike committee asina tha hungi manungda Tigatuna report pikhalaba matungda mafam chaba parking taraga nithoi khandoktuna mafam sing aduda khonggangdagi lakpa gari sing park tawanduna Imphal city manungda gari chelhan bada thorang tawri talagasida association gi mioi singa ningthijana pau phawna hogdabadagi strike ki khongjanga se changsilakhibane association kharagi mioi sing unaraba matungda bab tahan khiba yaure bab ta dana leiriba association singsu athuwa matamda unaduna bab taminaduna khongjanga se handoktuna miyamda Tengnariba waba kaya kohannaba hotnaragani
only thing I want to was TRPC the discussion khara tawne aduga discussion tawu matunga na koi committee ama shemse committee duna study tawraga evaluate tawragani feasible oibra oidabra it will study a larger concept of multimodal transport system for Imphal city so after the committee is formed tawraga But study the points is study the multimodal transit system, transport system se Imphal city ki integrate study
Imphal East District Hospital Hongdo Hongjin Tawbagi Watho Kamari Leinana ngasisu Sagol Mangda Lamdam Madongi Mairapai bi amadi nupi Lukayana rally chatkre rally adu CM gida tamna lakpada Saungbungda police na thingduna tankai district hospital sanabagi damakta mafam asida jatra hunduna sanaba thorang tawrambadagi lamgi chayenaba leiba maramna atopa mafamda nauna sananaba thorang tawkibane ngasi lamdam adugi miyamna wakat mifam Fambagalloinana 144 CRPC Chalairibagi Mayokta Athingba Thugaiduna rally chatpada Pulisna Laktuna Thinkibane Ngasigi protesta Saruk Yakiba Singna Sagol Mangda District Hospital Adum Sabiyo Atopada Hongkiba Yaroi Haiki
Tariba Prajan Mayamje Mate Kata Sunati Masida Tarija Jati Mari Manga Pullabani Asida is the Sarani and 2011 Jatra Hunbira Maga, who did not want Nangoro Dona Kianga, the Kaito Karakin, the Hunbido Ribano. Amada Saro Saro on the Piran, Amada Saro on the Chinko, Pajukana, Yaningo, no Habane. At the Iran, who at the Iran, when I went Bene. Iran, when I went Bene. I do already quite Kalap Kijun, is Haban Gizu, Adam Kungungi Live, Imagine Mayam, Manga, Kankat Piro, Aduga, a quite shame that Unazaraga quite shanty, the Wadi Sajake. Hanaba say never missing me now out in that twice in a dowry. I must know who the Chibaki Roy. I don't know that they Chiroy, but Jen Yellow.
Ngasi ayuk angan bada Kakching District Police ki SP Victoria Yengkom MPS ki mijeng makada akang naba pau gi likhunama phangbadagi Kakching Police Station gi manung channa leiba Sora Mamang amasung maning lekaida Deputy SP CDO Y Premjit Kakching PS Palel PS Hyanglam PS ki OC Singh Kakching PS ki second OC CDO Thawal amadi nupi police sing yauna thibu humbagi thabak sathabada two wheeler gari macha ahum amadi car ahum phagatpangam khre hairi gari sing adudi hangama pal machugi registration yaudaba dio ama higok machugi activa registration number MO01Q5413 angangwa machugi Yamaha R15 registration number MN04QD1016 angangwa machugi Alto LXI car registration number MN07D03 92 angauba machugi Creta car ani registration number na MN7D 3449 amadi MN7D 2503 ni gari mapu singna gari ga mari leinaba che chang sing puraktrabadi makhataba investigation gi damak case sing lokhatuna ain gi thabak thoram sing paikhalagani haina police dagi phangba paw mana hairi Thawal Municipal Council ge Vice Chairperson AK Sanatombana Council ge asigi Chairperson TS Syamogi mathakta lupa crore ahunga lakh 15 personal check ta kaithoktuna chathokre haina phongdokhiba wafam adu yumpham yaudabane mangumani haina ngase council asigi office ta paumi singa unabada chairperson TS Syamona phongdorakli council asigi councillor sing yauna pangthokhiba paumi singa unabadu da chairperson Syamona makhatana phongdorakhibada English ani tarataruki February gi tang mapalda council asigi chairperson oina wasak laukibani English ani tarataruki February gi tang mapaldagi March ki kunthra mathoi fawba ase subnatagi tha amaga numit kunni rom khaktani aduga 10 khraba matam asigi manungda yam khraba lupa crore ahunga lakh 15 self check ta lokthokduna season thokre haiba si yumpham yaudabani government ki account da leiba paisa haiba si check self check ta kaithokpa yaba nate madu sumathakta government ki account dagi council gi paisa kaithokpa haibasi chairperson vice chairperson amadi executive officer ahungi choi changlebani tha amaga numit kunni gi manung aduda sumnatagi lupa lakh 12 ga lising humudra ga humdoi chama marifu mathoi di kaiki aduga senpham adu unapproved staff salary aduga unskill amadi skill gi salary aduga sweeper unskilled labor amadi community mobilization gi tha ani gi salary gi damak kai khibani masina taba atai atopa paisa kai khiba leite haiki India amasung Myanmar gi punna ngamkhai gi matang da yengselaba matungda subsidiary border pillar yungbagi thabak sanction ba hokre more gi border pillar BP 79 1 dagi hokhi aduga border pillar marifu mathoi gi 1 2 3 4 amasung 5 yungba loikre aduga India gi camp officer M Khaskongor aduga Myanmar gina Handlia Jar asina luchingki border pillar yungbagi thabak ase apan balahendana ba lebak ani gi security force na punna thabak lokhat minari hairi chief engineer PWD Temba additional chief engineer Subhas SA PWD K Prem amasung EE Chandel Bishu Chandrana mafam singda chatuna yengsinkhre Pillar yungbagi thabaga sina ngamkhai gi matangda chayetna ba lairamba sing koklagani haibagi thajaba leire hairi Chandel district da border area development program BADP English ngani tara manga tara taruki skill development and capacity building project implementation tawbiyo amade Chandel district headquarters da leiba lambungkhul gi miyamna changpham thokpa phangpham thokpa National Food Security AK PDS ki cheng suna phangan biu haina ngasi paumi singa unaba amada socio economic and cultural development organization sido Chandel gi member secretary su eriba lambung youth and cultural club ki president S Larson na appeal torakli paumi singa unaba duda mahana makha taraduna phongdorokpada hiram ani asigi matangda ngasi sido gi president Donsing Beton Anal amadi atai executive member sing yauna ngasi deputy commissioner Chandel Krishna Kumar ga unarabada BADP gi matangdadi positive oiba response pibirai adumoinamak lambung khulgi National Food Security Act PDS ki cheng phangpham thokpa masing suna pibidaba asigi matangdadi knowledge amata leite mari leinaba DSO yauna punna phamina khisi haiba wafam phongdoraki wafam asi taramna OE adumoinamak athuba matamda mari leinaba singna prajagi phangpham thokpa sing phanghanbinaba haina appeal torokli
Handeng kui kuidri thatri ki Indian tawre leaves tawre Mr. Sien of Mantripan Mahagna change leave tawduna total 991 sida lamung da only 150 pira e haiduna kari no lem hori ba change si kadai chakhre kaduma pira kadamno haina this is the high of the mahagna masigi paw sidi nangonri ngasi khak tabani
Khungang Sasi Mission Asigi Hayeng Bisnupur District Administration gi oina Irengban Khoizuman amasung Ikai Mayai Lekaida Camp Sing Hangduna Pangthokani Camp Sing asida Post asigi Line Department Officer Sing amasung Banking Institution Singi Stall Sing Hangduna Ayupung Mapaldagina Nutil Pung Nipal Makai Fauba Miamgi Kudongsa Dabasing Kangdokani District asigi Deputy Commissioner Pawan Yadapna ngasi DC ki Conference Hall da pangthokiba meeting amada district level officer singna mathau ningthina taunanaba amadi pangthokiba thabak singi report pikhalaknaba pautak pikhi Kaksing municipality area gi Kaksing lamkhai degina machin manau ching fawbagi national highway gi nakal gi drain sing amasung canal sing gi mathakta Chathok Chasin Taunanaba Sajiliba Upak Thong Amadi Atei Atopa Sajin Kochiliba Singna Maramoiduna Canal Amasong Drain Sing Sengdoktabada Khudong Sadaba Kaya Ohenbana Ising Chienba Ngamdre Maramasina Section 3.1 of the Manipur Public Premises Act 1978 ki makhada drain sing amasung canal sing gi mathakta sajin khoseliba sing chaliba tha sigi tang kolumdoi fawbada masa masana lauthok chagadabani karigumba piriba matam asigi manungda masa masana lauthok trabade sajin khoseliba sing ase lauthok lagani amade madu takthok tasin tawbagi mamal kopsiliba singna lanai mioi adudagi logani haina Deputy Commissioner Kakching Nailethang Talena thadoroba serolamana hairi Lepagasi tungan bamafam singda akharau yauna nong haithabagi thaudokta yamdrabada mioi yankai manga sire Uttar Pradesh da mioi kuntra mapal siki aduga Bulansar gi Sonata Kungangda Brazata badagi mai hauraktuna chakpadagi yum chamarom ut on kre hairi mai muthatpagi thabakta fire tender ahum sizinaki aduga Kanoji Aligarh Kasganj Sambal Bulansar Araya Ghaziabad amadi Greater Noida gi Soklaba mafam singda kudakta relief work laukhanaba Uttar Pradesh ki Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath na order pikre uful yauna akanba nonglei silaba matungda nongkana chuki Delhi da u panbi kaya maru phuktokpagi thabak tauki West Bengal da su mioi tara sikhi aduga nonglei nusiki thaudokta laikhidraba singi mafamda President Ramnath Kovind na amadi PM Modi na awaba phongdokre Rajasthan ki Ajmer district ki manung chanba Puskar town da leiba Brahmi temple da President Ramnath Kovind na lai khurumkre mahakna sufficient kwaza monuding says ki mafam da su President Kovind na chatkhi numit nini ki khongchata President Ramnath Kovind arang Joypur da thunglakibani Rajasthan government na President Kovind da civic reception pikhi Sundar Singh Bandari EBC Self-Employment Scheme gi khudong chaba phanglaba mioi singa President ga unaki Sanabagi pauda Wangoi da pangthokiba 3rd State Level Sito Open Karate Do Championship 2018 da Karate Do Training Center Kakching gi sanaroi ahumna medal mari laurakle medal lauraklaba players sing adudi Kakching Turel Wangma LP School parengdegi Nongmaithem Binod Kumar na Committee da gold medal ama chahi tara nipal mathaki senior black belt category da bronze medal ama punna medal ani Kakching Fosupat lekai degi Nongmaithem Amarna KG Humfutaret makhagi committee da bronze medal ama amadi Kakching Morangtem lekai degi Mayang Lambam Rojina Devina color belt committee da bronze medal ama phanglakhi haina Karate Do Training Center Kakching gi cherolamana phongdorakli Aroibada maroibu pau amuhanna pizari Aadhar card saraga Manipur da thajil lamba mioi sing fare haina Chief Minister N Biren haikre Tarit suba pe chana halu haibagi dabi da secretariat ki staff sing thabak leptuna khongjang changsin kre Loinana swara da thibu humbagi thabak sathabada two wheeler ahum amadi car ahum phagat pangam kre Masigi damaktari Imag Paodam loisinjari miyam bu muhanna khurumjari